Shabu sa Pampanga, tapos sa Aling Gloria, tahimik lang sa isang tabi. Panoorin natin to. Shabu is life, shabu for more. Basta pera, bilhin mo yung halaga, milyon, bilyon, basta, bahala kayo dyan. Gulo-gulo yung.
Mr. Chair, with your indulgence, gusto ko lang matuldukan, sinabi po ng NBI 6 days after na ma-report, saka pa lang sila nagkaroon ng joint operations. But allegedly, sinasabi po ng representative of Mabalacat City Police Station, walang report na nangyaring gano'n. Balikan ko lang, Mr. Chair, with your permission, yung NBI. NBI, sir, saan po galing yung sinasabi ninyo na after 6 days, doon pa lang na-report sa inyo, and based on that report, saka pa lang po kayo nagkaroon ng joint operations. NBI, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, to clarify, no? After 6 days, tinawag po sa amin yan sa NBI nung security officer ng supermarket. It's the supermarket security guards, not the police who called the NBI.
So, Mr. Chair, very clear na pala. Nag-report ang security personnel sa police station ng Mabalacat City on August 20, 2023. Unfortunately, siguro nakita po nung security personnel ng supermarket na walang ginagawa ang police station. Then, tumawag sila sa NBI. Then after that, doon pa lang nagkaroon ng operation, and siyempre, as standard operating procedure, nag-coordinate ang NBI po sa Mabalacat City Police Station, kaya po nagkaroon ng joint operation. And na-recover po nila yung abandoned vehicle loaded with 200 kilograms of shabu. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po.
Questioning insofar as the Mexico Pampanga incident is concerned, I would now revert to or refer to the Mabalacat incident. May I know from NBI kung nandito po yung mga nag-react doon sa presence ng vehicle doon po sa Mabalacat, Pampanga? Nandito po ba sila?
Sir, are you referring to the agents?
Yes, who reacted to the report of the presence of an abandoned vehicle in Mabalacat, Pampanga?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nandito po sila?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, pwede po bang matanong po sila?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, according to the report, 6 days pong abandon yung Toyota Avanza sa Mabalacat, Pampanga. And because of the number of days na nandun na hindi nagagalaw, nag-report po yung security guard doon sa place na yon. Tama po?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes. Now, noong pong nagpunta kayo doon sa lugar, ano po yung una niyong ginawa?
Initially, nakipag-coordinate po kami sa PNP Mabalacat. Hinanap po namin yung office din ng VOJ. Unfortunately, hindi namin nakita. Nakipag-coordinate kami sa barangay. And then, nakipag-coordinate kami sa security officers ng establishment, Your Honor.
Tama po. Let's presume, kasi doon sa statement kanina yung Chief of Police ng Mabalacat, Pampanga, na na-report sa kanila, pero hindi po sila nag-react. Let's assume that. Pero noong kayo po pumunta na ron at binuksan, meron po bang ibang police agencies na nandun?
Wala, Your Honor. Ang kasama namin is yung barangay and then security officers, Your Honor.
Barangay and security officers. So, nung nabuksan po ninyo, did you suspect na illicit drugs yung laman nung sasakyan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And what was the first thing that you should have done kung ganun po yung suspicion ninyo from the very start?
Well, nag-coordinate kami, Your Honor, sa mga required witnesses before we conducted the full inspection and the inventory.
When you say full inspection, would that include the field testing?
No, Your Honor.
Hindi po ba dapat meron kayong say, standard operating procedure ninyo if you suspect it as illicit drugs? Hindi po ba na tumatawag po kayo ng chemist from any agency, from the PDEA, from the police, and from your office na mag-conduct ng field testing before you leave the scene of the crime?
Hindi po standard operating procedure ng NBI, Your Honor. Even when we conduct entrapment or buy-bust operation, tine-turn over na lang po namin for examination sa forensic chemist.
Hindi naman po buy-bust operation to.
Yeah, yes.
Now, after that, I presume na minarkahan nyo yung mga ebidensya na nakuha nyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Pero ano nyo minarkahan?
Yung inventory officer, Your Honor, minarkahan niya one by one per pack.
Doon ba sa pack nyo sinulat o isinulat nyo sa isang tape at nilagay nyo?
Isinulat sa tape, Your Honor.
Is that also the standard operating procedure in marking pieces of evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. Especially kung hindi pwedeng sulatan yung packaging, Your Honor. So, ang ginagawa namin is nilalagyan namin ng tape. So, in this case, nilagyan namin ng tape and minarked and initialed by the inventory and seizing officer. Kahit po yung pinaglagyan niya na sack, it was also marked, Your Honor.
So, kayo po ang nagdala sa main office nitong alleged seized illegal drugs.
Part ako nung nag-escort, Your Honor, because I was not the seizing officer, Your Honor.
Okay. And at the general headquarters or the main office of NBI, tinest ito, di po ba?
Nung isinabmit na ng seizing officer sa chemist, Your Honor, tinest na nila. They conducted the examination.
And what was the result?
And it was found out, Your Honor, that the substance is a dimethyl sulfone.
In other words, hindi component or hindi shabu.
May I refer to our forensic chemist, Your Honor?
Well, is he or she around? Simple lang po yung tanong ko eh. Doon ba sa test na kinundak ninyo, shabu ba yun o ano? Yes or no? Yun lang po ang tanong ko. Kasi
Mr.
if
Chairman,
you look at the media, even the PNP pronounced na shabu yung nahuli. I have a copy of the statement of the chief of the Philippine National Police. As a matter of fact, even yung media na nandun sa area, ay sinabi niya na illicit drugs yon. But only to find out after the conduct of a laboratory test at the headquarters of the NBI, ang lumabas ay hindi shabu. Samantalang nakapublicize na lahat, maski sa YouTube. Shabu yung kwan. As a matter of fact, you were being congratulated because of this. Unfortunately, your laboratory expert said, hindi po shabu. So, gusto ko pong malaman, ano po yun?
Mr. Chairman, may I reply to the query? Mr. Chairman, we did not claim that those substances found were shabu. The media came out that were suspected methamphetamine hydrochloride, but the NBI did never claim that those were shabu. Now, if I may add, Mr. Chairman, that those substances were found to be dimethyl sulfone, which is a extender, shabu extender, which is being used in the manufacture of shabu. Now, what's the relevance? What's the importance of this issue? It only shows that there is a clandestine shabu laboratory in the Philippines right now, and then those substances that we were able to seize are going to be used in the manufacture of that illegal drugs.
mamamanufacture yung illegal drugs, nawala yan. Would you agree?
Yes, Mr. Chair, but
Yes,
it's
and
being
therefore, it is not a necessary ingredient to produce sabu.
yes, Mr.
Yeah.
Chairman.
Yan, kung totoo po yung report na yan, ay ginagamit yan para ma-dilute yung shabu. At ma-dilute yung shabu, pero the same weight. Yung potency ng shabu, malelesen. Pero yung weight niya, parehas pa rin. I think you can ask your chemist if you would agree with that.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm a forensic chemist, Juliet Mahilom of NBI. Yes, Your Honor, dimethylsulfone in the illicit manufacture of methamphetamine is used as cutting agent, or in short, adulterants.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I request that these adulterants, if in the thinking of the National Bureau of Investigation would be part of the manufacture of shabu, may I ask, would this be, shall we say, delivered to PIDEA?
Yes, Your Honor, it will be delivered to the PIDEA this week, but for the meantime, it is still in our custody, Your Honor.
May I know why it should be in your custody for a long time?
Your Honor, since this is not a dangerous drug, so we have no idea whether we need to turn it over or not to the PIDEA.
May I request, Mr. Chair, that these substances be delivered to PIDEA?
May we ask the NBI to please comply with the request of the gentleman from Antipolo?
Yes, Your Honor, we will comply, Your Honor.
Thank you.
That would be all insofar as the Mabalacat Pampanga incident is concerned, Mr. Chair. I would just like to ask my questions at the executive session if ever it will be approved. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, thank you, Congressman Akop. At the proper time, a member would move for the holding of an executive session, and we will address that later on after we finish the first round of interpellators from our members present in this committee hearing. So in the list, next to interpolate is Representative Jeff Konghun. You're now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Tatanong ko lang po, no? Hindi po ito ang sa PIDEA, no? Tatanong ko lang po, Mr. Chair. Hindi po ito ang kauna-unahan na meron pong lumabas na ganitong kalaking mga halaga ng droga sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Tatanungin ko lang po, ano po ang hakbang ng PIDEA o ng other agencies dahil talagang medyo dumadalas po, no? Yung mga ganitong klaseng pangyayari na kung saan nagagamit ang Freeport Zone sa paglalabas ng mga ganitong klaseng droga.
Sa Your Honor, sa parte po ng PIDEA, kaya nga po humihingi kami ng additional interdiction units. Ano po itong interdiction unit? Ito po ay mga isang grupo na pagsama-samahin ang mga miyembro ng law enforcement agencies or government agencies na pwedeng magtrabaho tungkol sa droga. Like for example, sa seaport, kailangan namin po yung Bureau of Customs dyan, Coast Guard, Navy, of course, PNP, if it's SBMA authority. So ito po yung isang hakbang natin. But ang inuuna po namin at nabanggit ko nga po kanina ay inihikayat, nililigawan ko yung mga other law enforcement agencies na sama-sama kaming magtrabaho tungkol dito sa laban, sa kampanya laban po sa illegal na droga.
Maraming salamat po. Sa Bureau of Customs po, no? Nung, Mr. Chair, nung nalaman ng Bureau of Customs na merong parating ng mga ganitong klaseng kalaki ng droga, at na-inform na sila ng interagency katulad ng PIDEA, NICA, NBI, ano po yung mga susunod na hakbang nila? Binuksan po ba nila yung container? Inilabas yung laman? Sino-sino po ang mga nakakaalam?
Yes, Your Honor, pinuksan po yung container. Ano doon po ang DOJ, NBI, PIDEA, may representative from SBMA, The terminal operator po yung SBITC.
So, inilabas niyo po lahat ng laman ng container. At doon niyo po nakita na positive na merong laman na droga sa loob ng container.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino-sino po yung mga witnesses na naandun? Di ba po merong katulad ng fiscal, ng media na dapat na naandun na ilang witness ninyo nung ibinuksan niyo yung container?
Opo, kompleto po. Kasama din po ang media at saka yung barangay po. May ando doon po.
Another question po sa Bureau of Customs, no? Nung binuksan niyo po yung container, sino-sino po yung nagbilang o nag-witness kung ano yung laman ng mga droga na naandun sa loob ng container?
Yung customs examiner po ang nag-conduct ng examinations. Together in the presence of the other law enforcement agencies present po.
Pagkatapos po ninyong nalaman yung laman sa loob at inyong na-inspeksyon, ibinalik niyo na po yung mga laman ulit sa loob ng container?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nilagyan niyo po ba ito ng mga markings, no? Kung ano yung mga naandun sa loob?
Yes, or sa procedure po, nilagyan po.
So, nung papalabas na po, dahil ito nga po ay controlled delivery, lumabas po ito lumabas na po ito sa Bureau of Customs. Pagkatapos po, lumabas po sa SBMA. After po nang lumabas sa Subic Port, kasama pa po ba kayo na nagpunta sa Pampanga?
Ang sa Manila Customs po, support sila. As far as BOC Subic po, wala na po kami doon. Pero mayroon pong representative coming from KITF po.
Ano po yun?
Customs Anti-Illegal Drugs po.
So, Mr. Chair, kasama po ang customs na escort papalabas ng Subic papunta sa Pampanga, yung sa container?
Support lang po, Your Honor.
What do you mean support po? Hindi po kayo kasama nagbiyahe? Hindi kayo kasama nag-travel? Kasi po kayo yung kayo yung nag-inspeksyon, kayo yung naglabas ng mga kargamento.
Mr. Chair, good morning. Based on the directive on the control delivery, Bureau of Customs is only support. The specific operators were NBI and PIDEA.
So, tanong ko lang po sa Bureau of Customs or sa PIDEA, anong inilabas niyo po ba sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone yung kargamento at dinala po sa Pampanga? Nagtali po ba yung droga na inilabas sa Subic Bay Freeport at pagdating sa Pampanga, nagtali po ba yung amount nilang dalawa?
Yes, Your Honor.
So wala naman pong nawala?
None, Your Honor.
Okay. Tanong ko lang din po, saan po nanggaling yung biglang pagbabago ng address na kung saan dapat po sa Binondo mapupunta galing sa SBMA, biglang napunta sa Pampanga? Saan po nanggaling yung nature ng biglang pagbabago ng request sa inyo? Galing sa NBI.
Mr. Chair. NBI po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, we will gladly answer that during the executive session, Your Honor.
Sa NBI po, no? Simula po yung operation ninyo, ilang araw na po natapos, ongoing pa po hanggang ngayon. Ilang araw na po simula nung dumating nung September yung barko hanggang ngayon. Patuloy pa rin po yung operation na ginagawa ninyo upang matukoy, mahuli kung sino yung responsable o yung mga sindikato na behind dito sa pagpapasok ng illegal na droga?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, tama po. Tuloy pa rin po yung, it's an active investigation, Your Honor, sir.
So until now, hindi pa po natin, ito po idea lang without any specific. May idea na po ba tayo kung sino yung mga taong responsable sa pagpasok ng illegal na droga sa Subic at saka sa Pampanga?
Nandun po tayo sa case build-up. We are gearing towards that direction, Your Honor, sir.
Do you have any idea kung sino ito yung mga personalidad na ito?
We will answer that, Your Honor, during the executive session.
No, what I mean is, do you have any idea Yes or no lang po kung meron
Meron na-
tayong idea.
Ano po, Your Honor, sir?
Natukoy nyo naman na po kung sino yung mga responsable.
We have some persons of interest, Your Honor, sir.
You have some person of interest. Ito po bang mga persons of interest na ito, meron na pong history na ginagawa na rin nila ito dati pa at hindi ito yung unang pagkakataon?
Sa tingin po namin, mayroon na po, sir.
Ito po bang mga tao na ito talagang parte ng isang malaking sindikato na kung saan nag-ooperate sa Pilipinas? O tingin nyo may kasama na may kakonsyaba sila na taga sa ibang lugar?
Tama po kayo, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Na ano po?
Na may mga kasama sila na maaaring taga ibang lugar.
Another question sa Mr. Chair sa NBI, ano? Tanong ko lang po, kayo po ang lead agency ng operation na ito. At kung baga, ini-inform nyo po, kayo po ang nagbigay ng information sa PIDEA, kayo po ang nagbigay ng information sa NICA, kayo po ang nagbigay ng information sa DOJ tungkol sa operation na ito. Sa inyo po ito nanggaling, tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At ito po ay tumagal ng 3 taon, tama po ba?
Nag-umpisa po ang sinasabi namin case build-up around that time, Your Honor, sir.
So, naibigay niyo po ba yung kumpletong detalye ng mga information sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno na hiningian niyo ng tulong regarding dito sa controlled delivery ng droga papalabas ng SBMA?
We have several meetings on this project, Your Honor, sir, together with the concerned agencies, especially the PIDEA.
Kasi po parang ang nagiging problema natin, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa Pampanga, sa mga barangay, sa lokal na pamahalaan, parang nagkulang po yata tayo ng coordination din, no? Dahil marami pong hindi tayo masagot, no? Lalong-lalo na pagdating sa barangay at saka sa lokal na pamahalaan at saka sa mga pulis, medyo hindi rin nila masagot ng maayos, tama, no? Yung mga hinihingi nating impormasyon. Siguro po, Mr. Chair, aantayin ko na lang po na magkaroon ng executive session para mas lalo tayo malinawan sa mga pangyayari.
Thank you, Congressman Kong Hoon. Next to interpolate is Congressman Asistio. You're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. My first question is related doon sa Mabalacat, Pampanga. Recently, may statement po ang representative ng NBI na allegedly kaya po iniwan yung Toyota Avanza doon sa supermarket dahil naramdaman ho niya na merong sumusunod sa kanya. Now, tama po ba?
That was the report given to us, Your Honor, sir.
Is that an operation from NBI, PIDEA, or PNP?
As mentioned earlier, an informant to our agent informed this team that an abandoned vehicle and supposedly containing shabu is in the location of Mabalacat, Pampanga, sir, particularly SM.
So, operation po ng NBI. Tama po ba?
Sir, there was no operation preceding the inspection of the abandoned vehicle. There was no operation preceding the seizure of the 200.
How about the PNP po o PIDEA?
Bakit kaya tahimik sa Aling Gloria sa isang tabi? Ayun no. Aling Gloria, sa Pampanga naganap yan. Magsalita ka naman. Ano bang nangyari?